Hello everyone. This video also we're still continuing with our normal computations. So this is another example on example 6. We're just trying to solidify all these other concepts. So we're saying a normal method, which is y equal, take our guess, y equal e raised to mx. So we'll have our y prime to be e raised to mx m, okay? Y double prime to be m squared e raised to mx. Okay, so if I substitute that back, I'll say m squared e raised to mx plus m e raised to mx minus 6 e raised to mx should equal 0. Keep in mind all these are just homogeneous equations. So if I pull e to the mx out, I remain with m squared plus m, okay, minus 6 should equal 0. So I'll say my auxiliary equation m squared plus m minus 6 should equal 0. Okay. Now once you have that, so this is my auxiliary equation, use the quadratic equation m equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided that by 2a. Okay. So I'll say minus 1. Okay. So sorry for the writings. So I'll say minus 1 plus or minus the square root of b squared is 1 squared, so it will be 1 minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 1, multiplied by value of c, which is negative 6. Okay, so this will go down to minus 1 plus or minus, I'll say this is just 1 plus. Okay, so it will be 24 plus 1, which is the square root of 25. Okay, which will be 5. So I'll say divide by 5, not divide by 5, it will be plus 5. Okay, so my values of m are either 1 or m2 will be 4 divided by 2, or we'll get negative 6 divided by 2. So my two values will be 2 and negative 3. Okay, so those are the two values of m. So as you can see, m1 is not similar as m2, so it means we are applying case 1. Okay, so if we are applying case 1, we'll get our final answer as y of x as my general solution equal c1, okay, e raised to the value which is m1. I can just start with either a negative 3 or 2. Okay, so I'll start with negative 3x. I'll add that to c2 e raised to 2x. So that's my general solution. Keep in mind, if you could have been given either a boundary problem or either an initial value problem, you could have added that to this differential equation. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day.